It's your boy DeAndre. So yesterday my transmission was leaking, but now that I took it to the shop this morning, they say it doesn't have a leak. I guess because I put in the Blue Devil sealant. So, and they say it was low. So they put oil into it for me. The flow is in for me. I think they put like 3 quarts, and it's running pretty good right now. We're gonna go pick up the hood. I just pull up in front of the store, but I think we have to pay for it here and then go pick it up at another place. So stay tuned. Oh, they got 2.
You know, come to last time when I told you come.
Huh?
You remember the last time I told you?
Yeah, when I went there, they said they're gonna fix it. All right. That dude helping me out to try to get the hood. So the first place didn't have a hood for the coupe. They only have a 4-door hood. So I'm gonna check this other place to see if they have it. Yeah, the coupe hoods are hard to find in New York. Very hard to find. Yeah, I'm having a journey today. So this place don't even have a hood. Even parts in particular, they don't even have any. I might have to check somewhere else to see if they have any hoods. They do have hoods, but they're too expensive. Like $400 for a brand new hood. I don't need a brand new hood. When we can get a used one that is in good condition, I could basically polish it myself. I'm gonna have to go call some places real quick. But yeah, this is what I had to do in order. I checked Facebook Market. I checked OfferUp. They don't have hoods. My personal guy I usually go to, he don't even have a hood. He had a hood, but it already got sold out. I got there late, so. But yeah, I'm gonna make a few calls. I'll be right back.
An hour later.
Alright, so we're back. I called literally 13 shops, and the 14th shop I called, they didn't have any. But this guy, I came over this guy, he has a hood, but it's not like in a good state. So I'm judging it could be the color, maybe it's like, not too sure how it will look, but you know, we're gonna go check it out right now. He's like 35 minutes away. He's outside of Queens, almost outside of Queens, like on the borderline to going upstate. So we're on our way there now to go check out the hood and see how the hood looks. It's gonna be a long drive. Alright guys, so we got it to the place. We got to the place here. They should have the hood for me. So let's see if they have the hood. Oh, the G35? You need, yeah, you don't have another one? Oh, you guys got a 335? It's a 328. Yeah. You're like the 14th place I called today. They don't have no G's with hoods.
2 hours later.
In the yards, they're trying to look for the guy. Alright. Because the last time the hood was flung back and it hit the window. It's right there. That's how the car look. Right there. My car's right there. That's what I need it for. Alright, so we got the hood. We have accomplished it. We need a hood. So it had a little like 1 or 2 imperfections on it, but it's actually not that bad. It's just a little bit of sand and spray paint. That's it. It's way better than the actual hood that I have on right now. But good thing is, we accomplished it. We got the hood, and we also got a special thing too. I just got the KN Typhoon air intake. Those are like $300 and some, and the fact that I got it for $50, yeah, that's gonna give this car an extra boost. So it seems like I might have to change the hood right now, because they really can't hold the car. So I'm gonna have to do it right here. Fenders, but I'm gonna take this fender off because I have to put the new one on when I get home. So. Yes sir. Now just when I put these on, these should connect too. This is an easy body work, right? Just a little bit filler, put it off, set it off, and then spray the whole car over. It's almost completed. Almost completed. Easy peasy. 1, 2, 3.